if you're getting an iPhone storage warning on your iPhone, here's how to start freeing up storage on your iPhone so you can get rid of the warning. Open up settings on your iPhone, go to general, and then scroll down to iPhone storage. And the first thing that you can do to free up storage is to tap the optimize storage button. Just press enable, and that will save a little bit of memory or storage on your phone. The next thing you need to do is scroll through your list of apps and really take a hard look at what's taking up too much space and what apps you don't really use a lot. So obviously, I'm not going to delete something like, my music app or YouTube, but for GarageBand, which I never use on my iPhone anymore, I can just tap that, and then I can either offload the app so it saves some of the data, or I can delete it entirely and I'll delete the app. And finally, the third way to really free up storage on your phone is to start deleting photos and videos. You can't do it from the iPhone storage app. What you actually have to do is to open up the Photos app. Then you can start selecting different photos and especially videos, and then just pressing the trash can icon, and that will start to free up a lot of space on your phone.